Didn't. Nag-accept kayo ng cards? No, unfortunately. So, we only accept uh, GCash and transfer. Bank transfer. Yes, available QR. May cutoff po ba yung pila? Yes, hanggang 7 PM lang po. Mamimit na kita, sabi ni Queen Jancy. See you. Reco will... Guys, hindi nyo na need mag-avail ng tickets. So, diretso lang kayo doon, kuha lang kayo ng queuing number, and that's it. Pwede po ba magpa-picture sa'yo if ever sa pop-up? Yes, for sure. Mas okay sa video na lang po. Mas okay video kaysa picture. Anong story behind the sweater? Kasi yung namatay ko pong daddy, yung tatay ko po namatay na, tapos dinesign ko po itong sweater na to dahil favorite niya yung mga kabayo at mahilig siya magsugal. "13 or 14 nandun po kayo?" Yes, I'll be there both dates. Whole day for sure. Core tank tops, marami kaming sample sale nun, so for sure sobrang mura na lang nun. All tote bags will be available as well. Nakabuy po kami ng ticket. Guys, if nakabili na kayo ng ticket, please message us on Instagram because we're gonna refund. Kasi nga, no more entrance fee. Di pa din kumain. Ay, duffel bag nandun din po. 20% off everything. Kailan i-release yung denim nun? Doon din po, 20% off everything. Ano oras po open? 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Saan pwede makabuy ng ticket? Guys, no need to buy tickets anymore because free entrance for everyone. Hindi nyo na kailangan mag-register. Can you please save the yellow tea and 96 for me? One day I come to the Philippines. If you come to the Philippines, I give you. So, just kidding. I forgot. Makakabili na ako ng workwear na pangarap mo. Pangarap ko. Yes, sir. Because it's 20% off. So, from 4,995, it's gonna be 3,996 na lang. Saan po location, ma'am? Studio SSE, Manila. OMG, free na. Yes, free na. Available po ba all sizes sa pop-up? Yes. Lahat ng sizes available kasi libo-libo po yung stocks. So, you guys don't need to worry. What else? May questions pa ba kayo? What time po start? 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Need to register po. No need to register. You just need to go there and get a queuing number and then you just need to line up and that's it. I'm so excited. I'm excited too. May signal po ba dun sa place to bank transfer? Yes. Do you have stores in the Philippines? Unfortunately, none. Hi, KL. Mode of payment, GCash and bank transfer only. You're welcome. Ano oras po? Bigayan ng we haven't talked about it yet, but mag-release kami ng statement about it soon. We're gonna announce for sure. May t-shirt po ba kayo nung suot ni James? Yes, marami rin nun sa sample sale. What else? Guys, lahat ng New York Fashion Show items are also 20% off. Lahat ng yon i-release namin sa pop-ups Studio SSE December 13 to 14. All items will be at 20% off and yung sample sale up to 50% off. Buti na lang walang entrance ticket. Yes, sir. Gabby will be there. Yun po yung special guest natin. Your jackets too, yes, everything. Everything. All regular items will be at 20% off. Sample sale items, sobrang dami, thousands. So, you guys don't need to worry na baka maubusan kayo ng stocks, ganyan. We're so prepared. As in, prepared kami sa sample sale, lalo na yon. Ang dami naming reject na items. Baka kasi yung iba dito hindi alam kung ano yung sample sale. Sample sale, yun yung mga items namin na hindi pumasa sa QC. So, ay! Sorry po. Sensya na po. Okay. So, sorry, saan ako ulit? Kailan po ang sale? Pop-up will be on December 13 to 14. Sample sale, it means yung hindi nakapasa sa QC, sa quality control. So, for example, this sweater, kunwari may konting smudge lang yung letter, usually hindi na talaga namin yan tinatanggap. So, reject na agad siya. So, yun, binebenta namin siya ng up to 50% off sa pop-up. So, for example, yung sweaters, yung range nun siguro less than 1K na lang since 50% namin halos lahat for you guys. Where's the pop-up store? Studio SSE Manila. So, pwede siyang ma-Waze and ma-Google Maps. Just type studio, tas letter S, tas EE. Studio SSE. Sa mismong place lang po, wala po. Yes, walang 20% off sa website. Sa pop-up lang mismo. So, once na bumalik na siya sa website, back to regular items na siya. May caps. Sobrang dami naming bagong caps na i-release din doon. And everything will be on sale. 900 something na lang siya. I really want to buy a jacket po from Sherlock pero hindi ko alam saan po. Guys, if you wanna buy any CF merch, isa lang yung way. Wala kaming TikTok shop. 'Cause maraming mga wait, sorry, inaano ko lang yung phone. Maraming TikTok shop dito na na ginagaya yung Charlotte Folk. Maraming nagsi-scam. So, yung only way to order CF merch is through our website, charlottefolk.co. That's it. Yun lang. Wala kaming TikTok shop. Walang anything. Dun lang mismo. If hindi nyo alam ano yung website, pwede kayo pumunta lang dito sa account namin, sa bio namin, andun yung link. Yes. When po release ng prices, we're working on it. So, hopefully by this week ma-release na namin yung price list para may idea kayo kung magkano, and ma, ma lista nyo na din kung ano yung mga gusto nyong targetin sa pop-up. What else? Check ko kung ano pa yung mga na-miss out ko. Baka meron pa akong mga na-miss. So, yun. Yung theme natin for the pop-up is New York. So, hindi na kailangan bumili ng ticket pa New York kasi kami na yung magdadala ng New York dito sa Pilipinas. Ay. Walang online sale. Available sa hoodie, available sa pop-up yung hoodie na index. Actually, alam ko marami kaming samples nun. So, for sure, sobrang mura nun. Yes, paunahan guys. Free entrance fee. Wala na pong tickets. No need to register. You just need to show up and get a queuing number and then line up, and then that's it. No need to register. Hindi required na naka-CF para makakuha ng queuing number. No. Pero as much as possible, mas gusto naming nakikita kayo na naka-Charlotte Folk for sure. Kasi meron din kaming mga ibang pakulo. And then, lahat ng mga nakabayad na ng tickets, please message us on Instagram because we're gonna refund po everything. Lahat ng mga nagbili ng ticket. Mag-save talaga ako for the pop-up. Thank you so much. 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Free entrance. Location, Studio SSE in Manila. May parking po. Merong parking sa tapat ng studio. So, ang alam ko, may pay parking siya, 50 pesos for the first 2 hours. So, if ayaw nyo maggastos sa parking, accessible naman. Ang alam ko, yung mga train malapit, yung train malapit lang siya. Studio SSE sa Pasay. Free entrance fee yung pop-up sa December 13 to 14. Re-release namin yung price list hopefully by this week. Inaayos lang namin. Kulitin niyo ako na gawin kong 700 pesos lahat ng t-shirt. Sabihin yung cute ako para maging 700 pesos na lang lahat ng sample sale t-shirts. Joke lang po. Okay, 700 pesos na lahat ng t-shirt dahil sinabi niyong cute ako. All sample sale t-shirts will be at ano na lang, 700 pesos instead of 800 pesos. Babaan pa natin ng 700. Lahat ng yan sa pop-up December 13 to 14. Studio SSE Manila.